In Wordless Generator, users can generate word lists of corpora. When files are ready, click Generate Table to start. In the results, the columns Rank and Token list all tokens along with their ranks in the word list. If generation settings syllabification is checked and support of syllable tokenization is available for the language of the corpus, then syllabified forms will be given under the column syllabification. The next two columns display the absolute and relative frequency of tokens. You can click the column headers to change the sort order of the table and recalculate the ranks. Rank numbers are skipped by default in case of ties. If you prefer using continuous numbering after ties, navigate to the Settings panel, Tables, Rank Settings, and check Continue Numbering After Ties. Then regenerate the table. The measures used to calculate the dispersion and adjusted frequency of tokens could be changed through Generation Settings, Measure of Dispersion, and Measure of Adjusted Frequency. For implementation details of each measure, please refer to Section 4.4.2 of the official documentation. If you want to skip altogether the calculation of dispersion and adjusted frequency, set the two settings to none. The last two columns calculate the number and percentage of files where the token appears at least once. After the results are generated, you can click Filter Results at the upper right corner to filter the results with multiple criteria. Also, you can click Generate Figure to generate line charts and word clouds. The figures could be customized through figure settings.